So today we're going to talk about Earsketch. Earsketch allows us to make music with Python on an online interface, so there's no downloads. And you can see the kind of interface that I have in front of me, and you can see this code editor, and then you can see the song, the tracks that I've made on top. All right, let's go run that and play it and see what it sounds like. Right away, you'll see that there's 3 tracks playing. We have 1 track up top, we have a middle track, track 2, and then we have a 3rd track on the bottom. All 3 tracks play at the same time. You'll also notice that I have different, songs that play for different measures. So here I have the Sierra set baseline 3 that plays for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 measures. And then down here I have the Sierra set drums that starts on measure 5. And then it plays over here. And then I have the Sierra set theme Atmos, which starts on measure 7 and ends on measure 11. So you can kind of see I have different songs, and they're on different tracks, and they go for different lengths of time. So what does that look like when you're building your project? So let's start from blank here. So when you go to start Earsketch, you're going to have a blank site. We're going to click here to create a new script, and we're going to give it a name. You can name it whatever you want. And then you should have on the top left here, a section called API. This is our book with our special commands in here. What we're going to do is we're going to find one called fit media. And we're just going to paste it in. So you don't need to touch anything before this set tempo. Set tempo is how fast you want your song to go, but anything afterwards is going to be our song that we're building. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go find here a sound that I want. So let's go listen to a couple. Okay, that sounds pretty decent. So we're going to go highlight the sound parts, and then we're going to paste in that song. There's a whole bunch of different songs that you can use. Even vocals. You turned on the light. There's almost 4,100 different sounds in the sound collection, and also there's a featured artist collection. So you can go play and go find the sounds that you want for your beat. Okay. So fit media, I'll put my song that I chose in here, and then here's what line do I want it to play on. So remember here I have track 1, track 2, or track 3. I'm gonna select which track I want it to play on. And this one I want to put on track 1, and I want it to start at the start of the song, so first measure, and I want it to end on the 11th measure. So let's click on run here, and you can kind of see my beat starting up here. Let's go play it. Okay, and then go find something that will work well with that. Okay, so I'm just going to copy paste my fit media command that I use because I don't want to go back to the API every time. So I'm just going to paste that on line 13. And then here I'm going to highlight the song. And I'm going to put in, paste in the song name here. Okay. And this one I want to start on, it's going to be playing on track 2. And it's going to be playing from, so if I just click on run here, you're going to see it play at the same time. We're not going to want that. But I'm going to put it on track 2, and then I wanted to start actually on the 3rd measure, and then we're going to end it on the 7th measure. So it looks like something like this. And then I can always, add another one here. Another fit media, that's going to put the songs where I want it. I want to put this one, I'm going to put this one here. And I'm going to put it on track 2. And we're going to start it from the 9th measure to the 11th. Kind of gives you the idea, and so you're going to go find your different songs that you want to put in, and then you're going to choose your tracks and how long they're playing for, and eventually it's going to make you a song. And once you've done that, on the top right there is a create account button. You're going to create an account, and then you can actually share your code. Once you've shared your code, attach it to your classroom assignment. You'll have 2 blocks to work on your song. Enjoy.